Good morning, kids. Good morning, Bunny. Today, we will color a modern outfit. I'm starting with jeans. I use different shades of blue to make the pants look real. I put the lightest one in the middle of the jeans, where the pants wear out quickly. You can find the crayons in the description. I highlight the belt, loop, and waistband with a dark shade of blue. Oh, the pants look like real jeans now. You can find such cute coloring pages on my Etsy page. We finished the second leg and colored the short top. Wow, what stylish glasses and bag! I will color the blouse in orange and pink. It will be a holiday outfit. It looks very stylish. These shoes are colorful